Had a great day today. Started off with an early morning photo shoot. Our car was here around 7 and we had to head over to the spot to begin getting ready and get ready for this photo shoot. There was word on the street that a snowstorm might be coming to Portland, and when it snows here, it gets icy. And things shut down because they only have one plow in the entire countryside. That doesn't even make sense. They have one plow in the city maybe or something like that. Either way, they don't get snow often, so when they do, things shut down. Sure enough, this morning, Nike campus was shut down. Had to improvise, so the photo shoot was taken off site to a local high school, which was really nice, but it was chilly out there. The wind chill was cruising. Winds were probably 20 miles an hour. Just ripping, and we were out there early, getting after it. Check it out. Getting that braided, faded. Birthday boy! Birthday boy!
Back further too.
They don't fit here.
That's too easy.
Overall, great photo shoot. Had a ton of fun doing it. The guys at Nike are all professional. The agency we worked with captured some really cool stuff. I'm excited to see when it all comes full circle and we have the footage and the content. I'm pretty excited. It was chilly out there. You know, Miles and Lyle, they were crushing it. Their accuracy is on point. Obviously, the time they put in with their stick is paying off because those boys can shoot. They can shoot, I tell you. Edgar, tell them the boys can shoot. Got a little too fired up there, guys. My apologies. Either way, the car brought us back to the facility. The Bo Jackson was closed. Nike campus was closed, but we still had to get our workout in. There was a perfectly fine indoor field available, so we got after it. We did a full dynamic warm-up, getting ready for the weekend. Miles and Lyle, they have practice tomorrow. I have an inter-squad scrimmage Saturday with training camp. So we had to stretch it out, get the legs opened up. Then we had about 30 minutes until lunch and a couple product meetings. So what we did was an epic high-intensity workout where it's 20 minutes on the clock. You do 5 strict pull-ups into 10 push-ups. And then 15 body weight squats every minute on the minute for 20 minutes. You end up with 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 body weight squats. It's a good burner, keeps the body moving, and this was it. Sorry about that. As you could see, we crushed the workout. Then the drive back to the hotel was getting snowy, so they weren't lying about the storm. There was snow on the road. And we had plans to have dinner at a friend's house out here. B Zap, aka Brian Zappatello, Ajax, Hopper, the squad. So after we got to the hotel, we went out over to our buddy's house out here to have some dinner, celebrate Miles' birthday. We got him an ice cream cake, obviously his fave. Little cheat meal for me, but either way, it was awesome. But when we first got there, no one was home. We're like, hey, where is everyone? They were down the road, sledding down this huge hill. And you know, we had to get in on that. Because, hey, who doesn't love sledding on sheer ice? When a snowstorm happens, we happen. Sledding time. That was a good go. Now we gotta run back up. Hit quite a patch of black ice. Nearly got killed by the curb, as you could see. But we were ripping. The video doesn't do it justice. We were flying. We went a couple times, probably like 5 or 6 times. Running up, running down, running up, running down. And just having a blast. It was a ton of fun. Then we got some Thai food. Had some dinner with some really close friends of ours, and it was just great. You know, every time we come out to Portland, it's like we have extended family out here because everyone's so nice and always is willing to share a meal, and that's what it's all about. Now we're kind of winding down. We got an early flight tomorrow. Wake up call 4:45 a.m. Actually, it's like 4:15 because the car's here at 4:45. Then we're flying to Buffalo, where I'm going to meet up with the old savvy vet, Mr. Brett Bucktooth, who's going to scoop me up. We're heading up to Toronto for New England Black Wolves training camp, which starts Saturday. It's Saturday, Sunday, and then I'll be heading back to good old-fashioned Syracuse, New York. But obviously, I got the Raiders game on, so I'm going to go watch the rest of the game. Fourth quarter here, and I'm obviously a Raiders fan. Shout out Raider Nation. Tay Train, Derek Carr, Amari Cooper, killing it. Khalil Mack just had a sick strip. We're in the game, boys. We're in the game. Raiders fan all the way. So I'm going to go watch this. You guys, thanks for watching. I'll be up bright and early. Going to have a flight home. Meet up with Brett. Head up to Toronto, and then New England Black Wolves training camp. Let's go.